Hello, I'm just going to explain the flow of the site. So, first of all, there is authentication. As you can see, there is login. You log in with your email and your passport, your password. Then you can also create an account, right, by clicking on coming to this page. You can also update your password with the help of a security key. So during registration, you have to like set your security key for you to like use it later to update your password. So the only importance, the core importance of this authentication is to differentiate the different users in a session, right? Assuming there are maybe 10 users using the same system at once. So the system will be able to differentiate because it will take your email as a session variable and which is unique actually. In fact, during registration, you cannot you cannot register the same email twice, so it will reject, right? So for example, if I try to register the same email Kimball Australian here, which I had registered before, uh, it's gonna reject. Let's try this. You can see a user with the same email already exists, so that's totally like a primary key in the database, right? Okay, so I'm just going to log in and we can navigate into the dashboard, right? So after you've logged in successfully, you get taken to home.php here. So here, you can access the profile. You can as well post and be able to see the posters of other users of who are already posted in the system, right? So here you write the topic, what what you want to post. Manga juice. I like manga juice. So if I click post, this post will be made under my name with my session variable and all my details, and then insert into the post database, right? Then now it's gonna be fetched automatically. Check it out. Okay, you can see posting success, and then the post appears here with my name on it, then the email and the timestamp, right? Okay, then the topic that I wrote here and the content. So someone, maybe another person, can come and comment by clicking this button, right? Later. So the thing is, what is happening here is my details, which are the session variables. For this case, it's my name and my email, gets posted together with the content of this form into the database. Also, together with the timestamp, the system automatically generates that and then inserts it into the table, which is later fetched. Okay, yeah, and displayed here. So if you go to profile, a user can see their own profile, right? So you can see your name, your email, and your bio. If you want to edit your profile, you just click on this button. Actually, this it fetches directly your details. Then you can just edit. Maybe the same time I want to call myself Boy Victor. hmm Uh, I don't do jokes. If click on finish edit, my profile is gonna be edited, right? Okay, so you can see. Wait. Okay, relax a bit. Let me click on finish edit. Yeah, and you can see the bio is changed. Hi, I'm Kemboy from. I can boy, I like jokes. Yeah, you can see it's edited. Okay, so if you want to see your posts, you have to come on see your posts, right? And then you can see all the posts that you've posted yourself, you who've logged in, right? And you can delete your posts. You can see the comments, right? So the thing is, during this page, the posts that are being selected will have your email as a unique variable. So if a different person with a different email logs in, he or she can see their own posts. That's because the email is different. So this is totally the primary key that's used to select this particular post. And someone can actually delete. If I delete this, you can see an alert post deleted successfully. And if I click on see your post, I can see the posts, right? It's gone. If you click on comments, you get taken to wait a bit. Okay, okay. Let's back to home. Okay. Another person can click on the name here. You can see there is more like a link if you hover on it. Gamboy Lapstone. Okay. You can see now the profile of any person, of any poster, someone who has posted in the system by clicking on the name, and then you can see the bio, the email, and the name. That's just a small profile. All right. And if I click on comments, I'm gonna be taken to the comments page. I can see my comments. I can also comment myself, right? And same to other users in the system. Or actually, that is it. That is all of it. And you can log out by just clicking this button. Yeah, right. So actually, before you run this one on localhost, you need to have XAMPP. You need to start the Apache server and the MySQL as well. So also, make sure that your code is located in htdocs, that is inside the XAMPP directory. For me, this is the code itself, right? Yeah. So let me take you through a way to host it now. You need to have a hosting space at a domain, right? For you to host. So for me, I'm just using here the truehost.co.ke. It's a site I normally use it. Okay, let me sign in real quick. So before you do your hosting, one thing you need to do is you need to, I mean, you will do it in two steps, right? You will upload your database, that is your database schema. If I come to the code, there is this file that I had sent in earlier. It's called files.sql. That is the SQL schema. So this one is the one that you are gonna import into your MySQL, your PHP MyAdmin here. If you click on it, you're gonna be taken to the database, right? A place just like this one. So you're gonna create a new database and then you import the schema. If you import the schema, the whole you can I mean if you do this now, assuming you've already logged in into your hosting site, right? And then you click on import and then you import the schema. Just click on import and then you choose a file. For this case, Is that schema? Where is it? Okay, let me use just this stuff database as an example. So if you can see now I've selected the staff database.sql as an example, and if you click on go right here, the whole database and its tables will be created automatically. So that's what you're gonna do in the PHP MyAdmin on the hosting site, right? And your database is gonna be created. Okay. Then another, the second part now is, if you have to come to file manager, then you upload your code now. You can just convert it to a zip folder, which you're gonna upload. Okay. So if you come to public.html, yeah, that's where you're going to upload your files. For me, I'm using this gameswebsite.ml because it's a subdomain. It's my subdomain. You can use your subdomain as well, but you can also use the main. If you are new to this, the public.html will be your main um, place to upload your files. After zipping, you can just upload and then you unzip, and then the files will appear this way. So what you're gonna edit, what you're gonna change is your um there's one file only. That is let me take you to the code. That's dp.php. This one now has the connection to the database, right? Initially this one was local. I mean, now this one is local because I was using my local host. So you have to change the server name. You have to change the server name, the root, the password to your site, the database name, the way you've called it, right? Just edit these details, and yeah, everything is gonna be okay. Okay, thank you.